There's Big Mouth. He's getting away on me. Hey, Big Mouth. Just looking for the thermals. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Now, I know what you're thinking. I need to get a drone. And I won't get one until I sell some of my other toys. That's an expensive toy. I got a lot of toys built up since the 80s. Expensive ones. So I need to get rid of some of them first. Because you don't own your things. Your things own you. So I'm gonna sell a few stuff. I've been wanting to get a drone for 2 years now, so. But I don't know, it seems like the longer I wait, the better the drones get and the better the deals get on buying one. So most drones you have to have one of those cell phones that you pay $90 a month on, you know, to have internet access and all that. Well, I don't have one of those and I do not want one. I'm already paying $85 a month for internet access. And I don't go wandering around with a phone. I don't go out of the house to get on the internet and stare at my phone all day. That's not why I go out of the house. You probably guess why I would want to go out of the house. You know, to run a job or to have something other than the internet. So why would I want to pay $90 to do something that I don't want to do every month? So no, I don't want one of those phones. I have a very good computer at home. I have high-speed cable internet, $85 a month, unlimited. I can download as much files and upload as much files as I want to. And I put some doozy big ass files online before too. Like a 6-hour interview with what's his name? Andrew Basciano. That was a good one. I took short clips done by Jessica Mystic, is what she called herself at the time. And it was like 6 hours worth of small clips. I put them all together and made it into one file and put it up. And then Andrew Basciano saw it himself, so he downloaded my file and made his own account, which is of course much more successful than mine because I am not Andrew Basciano. And so his account went viral. He put that video up that I made, and then a bunch of new videos of him talking about his stuff that he likes to talk about. So he's a good storyteller. I really love mystic stories about stuff. So he's a time traveler. So he says, back in the 70s when he was a kid, he has a time travel story to tell. That's really fun. Wow, things have changed a little bit since I was here. And others. As you can see, I've been uploading a lot of files. I've been making videos on a regular basis lately. That's not something I usually do. I usually just watch other people's videos and comment on their videos. And man, you know, if you're watching somebody who's famous on YouTube, they got like 10 million subscribers or something, and you think to yourself, oh man, if I say something to them, they're probably not going to see me. And that's true, they're probably not. But I can tell you from experience that there is a possibility they will see you and they will respond. If you're friendly. Just try and talk shit, I don't think they'll answer you. That plane is white. It's a biplane. I can't get it. It's dang white. This camera is autofocus, so. Man, I've been trying to catch that guy for months. He's a hard one to get on film. Like 4 feet away. This little guy is obviously tame. About a couple weeks ago, about a month ago, there was a couple babies that weren't afraid of me hanging out in the front yard. So I think this is probably one of the babies. That's why he's not afraid of me. He was tamed by me at an early age, by accident. Not like I try. He just acts like I'm not even here. He acts like I'm a big dove. There he goes. Damn! Being harassed by the crow again. Now that yellow is so bright, I doubt you can see that on the camera. It's almost like pastel, you know. That's what the hawk gets for shooting off his mouth. Got the crow's attention. So they're shooting off his mouth for the past 5 minutes. There he is. Making a big noise. Whoa. There's another one joining in on the fun. Here he comes. That's him right there, big mouth. Well, that was a good capture. Everybody duking it out. Guess there wouldn't be any ducks in the area with all that. I don't see him. He's up there somewhere. Huh. Oh, look. Gate's locked up again. Look at that. Sometimes it's locked, sometimes it's not. Oh, there he goes. Here comes Boss Crow after him. Crow's gonna get you. Oh well. Okay, we got tadpoles. Hooray! In this little pond right here. Good to see. Look at people up here. I was wondering what all that noise is over there. I thought, is somebody walking up on me? Nope, it's people right there working. So, they're like going, hey, we see you pointing your camera at us. Okay, time to climb up the hill. There's a heck of a lot of bird action here. It's springtime! There's whole crow gangs here. No wonder the hawk's making so much noise. He's getting his ass worked by being outnumbered. Well, that was it. Caught another second of him. Little guy that's hard to get a picture of. That was funny. Of course the camera wouldn't focus. I need a new camera. This one just doesn't focus quick enough. Wow, I couldn't believe it. Yes. Piece of shit camera. Oh, there it goes. I got Taylor Swift on. I can't turn it up because Taylor Swift is grounds for your sound being muted if you try and upload this on YouTube. So I'm not even gonna try. That's what I put my focus and attention on, is that big antenna there. Ham radio antenna. I think I know who that is. I think that's Zeke. He moved there around 2000. Haven't heard from him since, really. This guy hitting his brakes. He's a real good driver. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's smart. He told me he lived in this area last time he talked to me. You remember Zeke, right? From 1988 to about 2001. Haven't heard from anybody since 2001, except every once in a while on Facebook or something. Wow, look at the size of that flag. Dang.